in place. I haven't faired it yet. As you can see, I'm still grinding off the old bottom paint and getting ready to put Innolex 2000 barrier coat, epoxy barrier coat on the bottom to protect it, and then I'll put my anti-fouling on. Here I'm preparing the top side, the deck for paint. I've sanded out most of the smooth surfaces. The non-skid's still pretty dirty. I've removed the foredeck hatch and have a piece of 1/2-inch Lexan that I'm going to bolt over the top of that. See if I can pan around a little bit. All the hardware, all the trim, everything's off the boat right now. Makes it pretty easy to sand out and paint. Cockpit still looks pretty rough. And then down below, it's looking much better than it did a while ago. A little dusty right now. So that's what she looks like from the top of the ladder, looking forward. See into the cabin a little bit. And then a shot looking aft. So here's what the work site looks like in my driveway. All that pile of stuff on the ground normally is up inside the boat while I'm working. Gets to be quite cluttered. And as you can see, I have the bottom ground off up to the water line. The rubber rub guard is pulled down so I can paint, so I don't have to mask it off. Another view, work in progress, getting ready to paint. It's May 12th, about 3 weeks until departure, and the boat doesn't even look close to being ready. Hopefully with a lot of work, I'll get it together. And I tipped the keel, tipped it over about 20 degrees so I could work on the top of it, and took a grinder and a wire brush on a grinder to get all the rust off and polish it up. I repaired a few blisters that were underneath the keel, and now I have visqueen taped over the hull to create a separating surface, parting surface. And I'm just getting ready to lower the boat down onto the keel, make sure everything's positioned right, and then I'll mix up some resin and thickener and put a heavy coat over the top and bolt things together and let that set up.